Howdy YouTube, this is Moot Davis. We're stuck here in a hotel room in Los Angeles, and we're going to do a little competition. I'm going to do about 100 burpees, and Mike's going to try and burp 100 times.
Power of soda.
There you go. So, we're just killing time. Hope you enjoy it.
I hope I don't vomit.
Now, I just got to get my little timer going here.
What's a burpee?
You'll see. You'll see lots of them. I'm ready when you are.
They're trying to get out of me. Hurry up.
You should turn around so they can see who you are, so you're not just a voice. There you are. All right, here we go.
All right. Oh, jeez. That was a chunky one. Oh, shit.
I'm not going to do this.
Oh, there's a good one. Come on. That's 3. I'm 1 ahead of you now. Oh, geez. Oh, there's going to be... You're going to see my breakfast in a minute. Oh, 5. What number is that?
It's a 7.
Oh, okay. Oh, Jesus. I really am on the edge of vomit. No. Oh, shush.
This is pathetic.
Oh, geez, another one. I think I'm right there with you.
Oh, Christ.
Oh. There's definite vomit happening. Oh, jeez. I can't. I swear I'm gonna puke right here.
It's the worst idea we've ever had.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. What number are you on?
15.
Oh, I'm pretty sure I have not burped 15 times. My burps are so pathetic.
Burpees.
Oh, I'm catching up now. I'll get my second win. Wish my sister was here. Or my sister-in-law was here. She could rock these bitches out. Oh, that one had bacon in it.
Seems like we're getting nowhere.
You talking about the burpees or this trip?
I think it's the whole life thing. Yeah.
All right, experiment over. We kept going. Okay. Ugh. I wish I could rock off just one big, massive one. Oh, without feeling like I'm going to puke. All right, is that enough?
Sure.
Okay. Sign off, Moot Davis.
I'll see you later.
Here's Moot after his 100 burpees.
I took a lot longer than normally does.
For the record, I did 30, and I vomited in my mouth at least twice. And I gave up for fear of embarrassing myself.
You did good.
was a worthy endeavor.
This is a noble cause.
What was your final time?
I don't want to talk about it. It took me way too long to do.
All right, I'll do better next time.
As will I.
I have to do it on an empty stomach so I don't vomit. So my time will improve as well. All right. Goodbye from LA.